So guys, if you have leftover chapati and eggs and wondering which recipe you will use to make it delicious, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a very simple recipe that you can make that will make it very delicious. So welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for tuning in. So let's get to the video. So I'm going to need one onion, one tomato. I'm going to need mayonnaise, tomato sauce, and 3 eggs. And definitely I'm going to use my pan to make, and also my leftover chapati. So let's get to it, guys. So the first thing first, you heat your pan on your gas. Then you go ahead and crack your egg. So I'm using 1 egg for 1 chapati. So I'll go ahead and crack it. Then I'll throw in my salt. You can add other spices if you want to, but I just like to use my plain salt. Then I will chop onions into my egg before I whisk it. So it's totally optional, you don't have to, but this is how I like to make my own. Then I'll go ahead and whisk it. Then I'll go ahead and fry it, guys. So once we have fried our egg, we will go ahead and cut our onion and tomato. So guys, you can add cucumber to make it more delicious, but at the moment I was doing this video, I did not have cucumber. But if you have cucumber, you go ahead and add to the mix to turn out very delicious. Then we shall go ahead. So in your plate, put in your chapati. Then on top of it, we'll put our fried egg, as I'm doing, guys. Then I'll put my chopped onions and tomatoes on top. Just distribute it evenly throughout the chapati, just the same way I'm doing it. Then once you put your onions, you pour in your tomato sauce and mayonnaise. So go in with your tomato sauce. just not too much, just a little. Then you come in with your mayonnaise on top of it. Then guys, we shall go ahead and fold it. So you fold it. Then I'm going to cut this into two so that I can be able to hold it well. So here you have it, guys. Super delicious. So there you have it, very simple and easy. You can have it with your tea, you can have it like that. It's very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.